Yo, what is going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to fix your Netflix device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. So if you see this message and your device isn't connected with the Netflix household, create your own account to enjoy Netflix. If you're using a portable device that's part of the Netflix household but you see this error, you're gonna make sure that you have the same Wi-Fi on the Netflix household. So if you do not have the same Wi-Fi, I'm gonna tell you in a bit. If the problem persists, you're gonna update Netflix household from your TV and TV connected devices. So if you now have a portable device which you do not have the same Wi-Fi and you want to watch temporarily, you're gonna do this. So when you get the error message on your mobile device, tap watch temporarily. After you tap watch temporarily, you're gonna tap send email or text message and a code will be sent. Check the email and text message. When you find the code, go back to the Netflix app, enter the code you received from the email or text message and submit the code and continue and watch Netflix. So that is it.